Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install iPhone like Dynamic Island in Motorola Signature. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store click on search bar, search Dynamic Sport. Now click on Dynamic Sport. And click on install. After click on install, wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open, click on next, and now here you will see four options. Select app, notification access, draw on screen, data protection. First of all, click on select apps. Now here you will see app, select app that you want, and if you want to select all app, then click on all. Now go back. After that, click on notification access. Again click on notification access and click on dynamic sport and turn on this button and click on allow. After that, click on draw on screen and click on allow. Again click on draw on screen and click on next. Scroll down and click on dynamic sport and turn on this button and click on allow and click on done. After click on done, install iPhone like Dynamic Island from your phone. This is how you can install iPhone like Dynamic Island in Motorola Signature. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.